everybody, I'm Roshan and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoKidz. I welcome you all to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multiplayer platformer. A multiplayer platformer means that anyone around the globe can play with you. Even people outside your country can also play. So the first thing which you need to create a new platformer is a new project. So create it. Then you will be on this page. Here you will have a small option called backpack. Click on it and then keep it open. Then click on the link given in my description. Then you will be redirected to this page. Then click on see inside. Then you will have two sprites named player and others. So then open backpack on this also. Delete everything defaultly given and then drag this into backpack, player and others. Then go back to your project. So you will see that these two sprites have come here. Now close the backpack and open it once again. Yes, now they correctly come. Now drag the sprite here, the named others. Then rename it to other players. Then choose the green one, drag it, do the same, and then close backpack. Rename it to my player. Then go to costumes. You should have 4 default ones: black, blue, red, and green. Choose blue, put red at the top, and the black at the most down, blue here. So red, green, blue, and black. These are our 4 customizations. Then go back to the code and go to other player. Then costumes. Here we will have only one, which is called default. Then rename it to default other player. Since this is a big project, we are gonna need a lot of variables and my blocks. Now you can delete the default variables. Here 1. Then go to my player. Delete these here also. Now go to my blocks. In that, go to my player and then my blocks. Then change x by and then put a number or text and then put it by s and then put it to sx. Sx means side x. Then change and then put player here also. And then click on OK. Now make another one. Change player y by, then add an input and then sy. Then click on OK again. Then choose cleanup blocks. Then create another one called chat. This is for chatting with other players like hi, something like that also. Then chat, game, win. Create that one also. And then game, die. Click on OK. And then game on. Then click on OK again. Then choose block named position. Then send cloud data. Click on enter and then click on OK. Then again one called reset. Then make one called test, die. Click on OK again. Then another one called tick. And then write. And then value. Then we can normally write to encode it. and then click on OK. Then select the same one again, right, and then delete everything here once, and then delete this, and then right, choose a number or text value, and then choose label, encoded. Now it will be okay. Then we are gonna do something send. We'll use, instead of send, set cloud, and then add a number or boolean, put player in there, and then label, and then choose, and then type 2 in there, 2, and then put again input value, and click on OK. Yes, now we have got everything needed. Next thing we are going to create is many variables. Then choose the cleanup blocks option. Now we have got many things here. Then click on make a variable and put this dot and then timer. Then click on OK. And then click on tick this option, save it. Then click on file option, save to your computer. Then now it will be now deleted once, and then input a title again, Crystal Valley, put as multiplayer platformer, and then again do file, save to your computer. Yes, now we'll click it. Now we'll have this file here. Then type Turbowarp. Then you'll get turbowarp.org selected. We'll be using this in order to create cloud variables. Click on see inside, file option, load from your computer. Go to downloads and click Crystal Valley. Then go to variables. Now select make a variable and player 1 and click on cloud variable stored on server. This is for making the game a multiplayer platformer. Tick it and click on OK. And then make global variables till 10. Again player 2, cloud variable stored on server, tick. Do the same until 10. This can help you keep up to 10 players at a time. Not only 2 but 10. Player 7, player 8, player 9, the cloud variable, and then player 10. Click on rename, and you can see that the cloud variable option doesn't appear. Delete the 3 and then create player 7 cloud variable, player 8 cloud variable, and then our last player, which is 10, player 10 cloud variable. Scratch has a limit up to 12 cloud variables per project. So now put them in order. Normal, the last player 10. Now untick all of them. Now click on save as Crystal Valley Multiplayer Platformer.sb3. Then save to your computer. Now you can close this. Then click on file and then load from your computer. Crystal Valley. Click on open. And then click on replace. And then put other player here. Then my player here. Now click on save now. To test whether the cloud variables are working, click on see project page. And then refresh the site. Now if you see that the cloud variable see data is appearing, which means that your cloud variables is success. Now click on see data. It should show that there's no cloud activity. Now go back to this page and click on see inside. Now click on my blocks. You can see that every block must be there. Everything we created must be there here. Now click on make variable and make one called chat. And then untick this option. Then create a new variable called chat2. Untick that and then rename chat to chat words. And click on enter. Now create a new variable. Create one called checkpoint. Okay. New variable checkpoint. Then put 2 dots and then X. Then again create a new variable called clone coins. And then make a new variable called clone ID. Then delete checkpoint X. And then make variable and then checkpoint and X and then select for this sprite only. And then make 2 new variables called coin, hash, and then coins, and then click on OK. Now untick all of them. Remember that checkpoint X must be this option for this sprite only, otherwise there can be a variety of issues. Now click on save now and then change this to a hyphen. And now go to project page, click on refresh and then cloud variable see data. Now you can see that there's still no data. Now let's try making a data. If the data comes, then it's a success. Otherwise also it's a success. Now we'll just set player to 4. Click on see project page. Yes, there's still no activity, which means it's a success. Because it should not detect any cloud variables which the owner of the project has created. Now just choose cleanup blocks once again. And then choose again cleanup blocks and then click on save now. So we have reached the end of part 1 of Crystal Valley, a multiplayer platformer tutorial. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you really like this video and you're waiting for part 2, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button so that you get a notification when I upload the part 2 of Crystal Valley. Bye everybody. See you all in my next video.